Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, the application was unable to start correctly with their code 0xc00007b, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix that error. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here Windows Security, and first, what you're going to do is you're going to go into virus and threat protection settings. You're going to click manage settings. You're going to turn off real-time protection. You're going to scroll down, go into add or remove exclusions. Click yes. Click add an exclusion. Click folder. Go to your Hogwarts Legacies folder and just click select folder. After that, you're going to click onto virus and threat protection settings. And here you're going to click onto protection history. And here, if you have any Hogwarts Legacies file, you're just going to click on it and then click restore on there. And once you click restore, now you can go ahead and try to play Hogwarts Legacy and you'll see that your game will work correctly. And if it did, then you're good to go. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser and here you're going to search for Visual C++. You're going to click onto this link from techpowerup.com. You're going to go ahead and download all of these Visual C++ runtime softwares. And once you're done downloading and installing all of these softwares on your computer, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.